Okay, so taking Huda Beauty's new Mercury Retrograde, I'm going to take this pretty little matte color right here, and I'm going to use that color as my transition shade with the Sigma E38 blending brush. I'm just running that into my crease just a little bit above, and then making sure the outer edges are blended out. And then I'm going to take one of her brushes, the new double-ended brushes from Huda Beauty. I think it comes in a set of 3. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to use that matte dark color, and I'm going to run that into my crease. When I first wanted to do this, I did not want to do purple whatsoever, any type of purple color, but I wanted to go into that greenish shimmery color, but when I swatched it, it ended up being more of a blue color. So then last minute I didn't know what to do, so I just came up with this, and of course it's a purple look. I don't know, I just really wanted to stay away from purple. I feel like I do it so much. So then I took this Sigma small lip brush, and I'm going to cut my crease with the concealer. So I'm just going to go a little bit up above my crease, and then add that concealer and blend it out. And then I'm taking this super shimmery shade right here, which is a little bit more silver, and I'm adding that to my my lid everywhere I added that cut crease. And then the next color I'm going to take, I actually forgot to show it, but it's the next color right next to this, the more lavender shimmery shade. And I just ran that on my lid, just on the lower lash, like close to my lower lash line. And then I took that matte dark shade, again, purple shade, I guess, I don't know the names, and I put that in the outer corner and a little bit on my lash line. I took Marc Jacobs purple eyeliner in the waterline, and then I used these Embe lashes. So the first thing I'm going to use is this Kypris Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. Whoa. Take a little bit of this, put it on my cheeks. I'm going to skip my forehead because that area gets oily. Taking these Laura Geller Dew Dreamer Illuminating Drops, I'm going to apply some, again, just to my cheekbones. I like this because it's really thin, like really thin and watery in a good way. For foundation, I'm going to mix 2 Makeup Forever ones. I really like both of these. They're both in Y245. I like the coverage of this one. I want something that matte, so I'm just going to mix in a little bit of this one. Kind of just stippling it on first, and then I'm going to blend it in because just where I want most of the product to be. I have glitter all over my face. I swear I hate glitter. It's so pretty, but I just hate dealing with it. ColourPop just recently came out with their Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. I'm just blending it with the flat foundation brush. I'm gonna go ahead and set that with the Huda Beauty loose baking powder, and I use the color Pound Cake. I'm going to take this new blush from ColourPop. It's the Coconut Beach Pressed Powder Bronzer. Oh my god. I'm brushing it, and it has a lot of kickback, like a lot. And you see that? Holy crap. Ooh, that's a pretty color though. Kind of just going over really lightly just because I already did the concealer to darken everything up. So this is really, really pretty. I really like this. Just be sure to tap off your brush because once you dip into it, a lot comes on your brush. Oh, I'm going in with bronzer and I haven't even finished under this eye. I finished under this eye, not. Dumbass. I'm going to take this Iconic London Luminous Powder in Fair, and I'm going to just kind of go, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I'm just going to kind of run my brush. I'm going to kind of run my brush over all of it and add that as a highlight. I don't want something too intense, so I think I'm going to concentrate it more on the two not light ones. This thing is so pretty. I love it. I believe they have 3 different shades. Then I'm also gonna take that and add it to my nose. My camera's gonna die again. A little bit. I'm taking the Huda powder again. I'm kind of just cleaning them up. Then I'm gonna take the Huda Beauty Board Meeting Matte Lipstick. Really love the formula of her lipsticks. They are amazing. Then I'm going to spray my face with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray. First I'm going to kind of press this into my skin.